here at Jack's Beach. But they're having fun. They don't care. They love it. We already built a sandcastle somewhere right there. Sandcastle. And I am looking for shark's teeth. Shark's teeth. I'm trying to see if I can find any in amongst all this. There's Jedediah. Look at you. You can swim in like this little area right here.
No, that area was deep.
It is deep. Audrey went wading out there. We're having fun, even though it's cold and rainy. But it's better than it being hot and nasty. But yay! Hello, beach. Love it. You looking for shark's teeth? Oh yeah, that would have been awesome if it was whole. They're over here in the little tide pool. And Marty found this little guy. He's very much alive.
I saw a fish swirling around me.
Jedi, did you see this little guy? Were you the one that brought him to me?
Yeah,
He's alive. He already started scooching in my hand like, no, don't touch me, don't touch me.
I told Jedediah.
Here, what's inside that one? Is there another one inside there?
I don't know. I told Jedediah to bring it.
There's a shell. Oh, my lens cap. Lens cap. There's a shell in there.
Oh, he's alive too.
It's alive? Oh, look underneath this!
Yep.
Oh, you gotta show it to Josie. They don't pinch. You're good.
No, I
I'm
don't
gonna
want
hold it.
to.
I'm gonna hold it. Put it in my hand.
Ah, this camera.
No, look at him.
Look at him. Oh, it's a hermit crab. Josie. Come here, Josie. This little guy just does not want me
A funny way.
to touch him. Let me see this one. Hi, little dude. Hi, little dude. Aww. Come here. She's gonna get wet. It's okay. Look. Look what Daddy's got. Let me get down. What has Daddy got? A spider.
It's a crab.
It's a crab. It's a hermit crab.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
It's not a hermit crab.
Yeah, these are hermits. They'll outgrow their shells and they'll find bigger shells.
You want to take him home?
Yep, bigger home.
No, you want to take him home.
No, we don't want to take him home.
What?
Get in there, little guy. I put that guy down in there. Oh, you don't want me to? Well, get him back. Josie's
Found
getting
two of
him.
No,
She's gonna take it. He's gonna stink when he dies. Oh, they are cute. I don't want to take them because we don't have any means of caring for them until we get home.
Sure we do. We got buckets.
Yeah, buckets. Oh, little guy. Are you looking at the hermit crabs?
Yeah.
You got some little hermits in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we found 3 of them.
Me too.
And there's a fish. Somebody found a fish and put a fish in there. What? Audrey found a fish. That's awesome. It's a cloudy day, but it's perfect. Grandma's hanging out. Papa went to walking. We're hanging out in the tide pool. So much fun. There's a bunch of fish here. Fishes there too. And I just love the crabbies. Perfect. Let's see if I can zoom in on the infamous Papa walking the beach. Very rarely seen, but when he is out in public,
Look, Mom.
he has chicken legs. I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh. I had to zoom back out. Marty's over here. He said he was gonna go fishing. Just didn't know you were gonna catch microscopic ones with a net. Oh, that was stuck in the... Aw! Get him out of the net! Still having fun in the tide pools. I think this is the most fun that they've had since we've gotten here, even though they've had a blast, even though mostly we've just shopped at Walmart and stuff. But they're having so much fun now. Oh, another crab. Oh, don't throw it. Be kind to nature. Okay, once you can get that one out of the net, I want to zoom in. All right, let's get in here. Let's see what we've got. Dun, dun, dun. Maybe I need to actually block. Oh, I do. I need to. Let's hover over and we can block it so we can see. We've got hermits. We've got fish. We've got even a mussel right there. Wow, we've caught so many.
Can I put the sand?
No, don't put the sand in there.
But where's the mussel?
Right there, this one right here. I'll pull him out.
We're not taking them.
Ew, touch it. Touch it. It's gross feeling. It's inside. Oh, be gentle. All right, let's see if he takes it.
We can separate them. We've got two buckets here.
You okay, Josie? I'll turn this.
And we have a lot of fish.
Come on, little guy.
He's laughing.
Come on, get it. That's yours. Go inside.
I think it's scared.
Sounds like he's feeling it. He crawled out of his shell, wherever his shell's at, so we tossed in another shell to see if he'll
I think that's
stay
their shell.
clean. Oh, I see, over there.
So he was
Except I don't see
actually.
on the camera up there, over there. So let's see if he'll take this one.
Reverse flashlights. Putting out so much getting hot.
Look. These hermit crabs look cute.
Come on, guy. Get inside. Look at all the fish swimming around. Excuse you, Burp.
Can I get
Your popsicle. Don't drop your popsicle in there.
I
Can't see. Here, I'll scoot over. Get in there.
Are we gonna let them go?
It's taking too long.
Yeah, we're gonna let
Alright, I'm
them
gonna
go.
pause it and come back when he's trying to actually climb in. Here he goes. Come on. Oh, he might be trying to clean it out because it had a little bit of sand in there. So maybe reaching in, trying to see if anything's in there. Testing it like, hello, is there anything in there?
Well, do we want to take some of these other ones out and put them in this other bucket?
Yeah, I've got light. Where's that light? Oh, that's that light above. I can't see it.
Why don't you turn off the light above?
I could. Hold on. Well, if I just... Oh, it's your hat. If your hat moves over just a little bit.
It's my whole entire body.
Oh, your whole body. Move your whole body. Come on, dude. Claim it.
Not this moment. You not see him.
Come on, guy. All right, guy. Get in there.
Oh, he's missing something.
Get it. There he goes. Come on. No,
Is there
he's
something
missing
in
his
there,
shell.
He's missing a shell, but he's missing the claw too already.
They're fighting. Get inside there. He's cleaning it. Maybe he'll get in there. He just flipped it over. Oh, he's gonna back his back end in. Is that gonna be good enough? Can you tuck in your rear end there?
He's cleaning it out.
Yeah, I told you there was some sand in there.
He's like, yay, a brand new home.
A brand new home. Look at him cleaning it out. You see all that stuff kind of flick out? All the sand and grit. There you go, guy.
That poor guy got hurt.
It's okay. He'll grow that one arm out.
Does anybody have a chance to turn off the light?
Just checking it over.
Like, is this gonna be an okay home? I'm gonna stick my butt in here. Here he goes. He got it. He took it. He's putting his rear end in there.
I'm gonna fit.
I'm gonna fit.
Mom, let's put him outside.
I see.
Let's put him outside now. I'm gonna put you away from
He's
I
still,
want to see
he's
your
still
daddy
doing
get
some
these home
cleaning.
without spilling them all over the... No, don't step on the table. Get on the chair. Get on the chair.
There you go. You in there? He's like, wait,
outside.
oh no.
Let's put Lolly Polly outside.
Hold on, we'll put Rolly Polly outside. Oh, is there still too much stuff in there?
Don't bump it.
Yeah, he's gotta clean it out. There was so much
But
sand
when
in there.
when he turned his face up, had his little antennas out of the water, so maybe might need a tad bit more water.
Oh yeah, because it might be
Yeah.
too heavy for him.
Making my hand itchy.
Okay, we'll put the Rolly Polly outside. We'll be back for you, little dude. That was so cute though. Look at him.
Yeah, but you want to get it.
Well, I don't know if it'll work, Eric.
He's still cleaning it out. There's still too much sand in there for him to get his whole back end in there.
First of all, don't drop the...
It's got a purple hue on it.
I know, I can't get rid of the purple hue.
I feel. I'm gonna scare.
I can't get it tight.
Here, I can try to get rid of the purple recolor. Yeah. It doesn't really work.
Blue. Aww, he's so cute.
No, it's got like a purple filter.
And I can't get rid of the purple filter.
Yeah, it can.
There we go.
Aww. Do-do-do-do-do-do. I gotta fit in. I
Get a cup, we can put a little bit more water.
gotta do
Clean house, gotta clean the house. I do not have a cup and I'm filming.
Still cleaning it out.
He's still cleaning it out. But as soon as I stop, he's gonna be like, yep, that's good. Button.
That's right, he is.
See the stuff coming out of it? Oh, look at him. He's got stuff on him. Look, he's sticking his rear end in. It's so cute. You know, he may still be cleaning it, though. You see how he's doing that?
Mm-hmm.
Or she. I don't know what it is. I don't know how to tell if you're a boy or a girl. Sorry, I'm not that good.
Because you can't talk.
It's in.
He's in?
I think so.
I think so, too. Are you happy with your show? Or are you not so sure? Well,
No.
I don't know. No.
He's cleaning it.
Yeah, still feeling some of that sand in there.
Trying my
How did I get light from up above? Ah!
I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best.
Ah! That
See how
overhead
she-
lights drive me crazy.
Yes.
I'm gonna see how
Oh, I
best.
got it. I think he's okay. I think he's happy. Yep, there he goes.
Yay, this is the perfect home. Yay, I got a bigger home.
The perfect home. Maybe. Still looks like he's having a little trouble.
Fully outside.
Nah, I think he's still trying to get some of the. Yep, see. Like, Dad blasted all this sand packed inside. Look weird.
Yep, they're curved so that they can.
Alright, he's picking a curve so he can curl inside the center.
He just like whoop.
Oh,
He moved. He moved into his new home.
he's testing it out. Like, wow, this feels nice. I can tuck all the way in. I am the Hermit Crab Realtor. I went and picked out 3 more homes for him. That home, he was trying to choose that gray one that he was in. Josie, go around, baby. Take the what out?
I would take the gray one out.
The ugly gray one? The one that's broken? Sorry, guy. I'm trying to be. I can't see. I'm trying to grab while filming, and it just doesn't work very well. Okay.
Okay, you wanna?
Hold on. I'm trying to see. Let me see. What does he think?
He hasn't
Oh,
moved
he
because
hasn't
you
moved.
put your hand in
I
there.
scared the poopy day out of him. Alright, there he goes. What do you think? You think that's going to be a good fit? I mean, I've given you 4 homes to try. First one you rejected. This one you seem like you're kind of happy with. He's so cute. Yes, no, or are you just trying to scooch to the other one to test the other one out? It's so cute to watch them like adjust and let me see. I think this is gonna be good. I don't know. Can't quite tell yet. Their little eyes are adorable. I see you looking at me, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at me. And this clip is very long. My battery's dying.
It's Go ahead and switch some over.
We're gonna move some more over. Enjoy your home, whichever one you pick.